Hello, I'm Mark Curtis. I'm co-founder and chief client officer of Fjord. We're part of Accenture Interactive. Now, we have a really unique way in which we put together trends. We go to all of our studios, every designer, all the way across the world, and I'm delighted to say that this year, that includes new studios in Japan and right the way across Latin America as well. We've been doing trends now for well over a decade, and every year when we look at what happens, we step back and we think, what's the thing that is linking all of that together? And this year, that theme, as it has been for the last few years, is new but super clear as well. And it's about a realignment of the fundamentals. So it's 25 years since digital really began to affect the way in which we live our lives, work, play. And what has happened in that quarter century is we've really begun to redefine how we see ourselves as humans. And we're seeing now a range of new questions beginning to emerge, enabled by the digital revolution. Those questions include things like, is endless profit the only form of growth or value that we want companies to deliver? We're seeing questions being asked about, what does it mean to be human? We're seeing questions being asked about endless consumption. We're seeing new trends emerge still in digital technology, which this year are going to once again change the way in which we see ourselves as people. When you put all of these things together, they represent this realignment of the fundamentals that we're talking about. Now, that might sound gloomy, but it's absolutely not. This is a really important moment where we can actually reinvent and reimagine entire seams of the way in which we do business and work. And we expect that to happen over the next 2 to 5 years. This is nothing less than the end of digital transformation and the beginning of a new kind of transformation around value and values.